So yeah, I'm at a nice birthday party. Yay, no more talking. Woo! There's her mommy. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So I'm home. I just got home and this happened. My dish them wash. Somebody wash me plate them and I don't wash them. So oh my god. That's all I'm sure when I wash them here. So the nanny here who watch me so nobody watch me house here. Who don't watch it cause she there. You understand? She there again because she want me do her ear again. Again me there stress over the little girl ear again. But we're soon done. We'll go finish this year now. Cause I say hello to them. I have not seen them in so long.
That's too
Here, talk to them, man. And let's get this roll on the show.
in my face. What?
That's how you're talking to them.
Oh.
Anyways, come sit down, please.
Okay. I'm gonna pause this.
Where's the rest of the ears? Auntie? Turn this way. Every time. How much time I have to make you sit down if you remember say I did so? Sure. Anyways, people, she had begged me for how much weeks now since I come back from Jamaica to do her hair and I the same stupid hairstyle. Like I the only hairstyle ever. I'm open, I can't see me, you know. But anyways, me a single braid a little girl here. She come at my yard Monday nights. A Wednesday night now, and she not got our yard yet.
We took multiple breaks. That's why.
We never take no break. I work, I go at work. Leave her backside out over here. She could have do it. When she there our yard, and them I get old, she take them out and redo them herself. She just too blasted lazy.
No, I was gonna mess them up.
No, I hear no more from you, honestly. You just swear you got your yard. You know them way there?
No.
But I only have a couple more left to do. Anyways, like I said, I don't know much I have left to do. Do you remember me? No, I don't.
You know all your neighbors do is just jump up and down.
The ones upstairs?
No.
Taking this kid home.
Look at my hair.
Her hair is done. I feel like every time we vlog now, it's just because I'm doing her hair. And it's the same style. Every time. But anyways, yeah. She did these kinky African gold.
I like that.
Braids.
I'm gonna learn how to do it.
Whatever, but she's loving her edges.
That's right. Mom said I didn't have any.
So why kids should not get March breaks?
Yeah, that's right. I vote for that. You shouldn't have March breaks.
Why?
School is amazing. School is amazing. Education
Is not the key to success.
Education is power.
Just kidding. Stay in school. I didn't, so you should.
You know, a lot of my friends tell me how their brothers and sisters dropped out of school or college or something.
Oh, well, I just didn't go. I didn't drop out. So, yo, girls, that's her high school diploma, though, so, you know. I'm not a fool. I'm very smart. School is just not for me. Like, but yo, it dark and things. So, look more. Me, I dropped that little girl at home. First, we have to stop up on my mother.
Yeah.
And then, yeah.
If you see this, which you probably won't because you don't really watch Lily, but if you see it or hear about this, hi.
She's so dumb. Bye. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want it. Bend over, don't to touch your toes. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want it. Have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? Right now the cool, cool breeze. Right now the cool, cool breeze. Baby, don't have no fear. I'll take you there. Woo, this is my song, this is my song. If you want to speak and change it, I don't like that. No. Yo, voila. Kisha, do you know who Alkaline is?
Yes.
Seriously?
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
How you know him?
Mother and father listen to him.
What? Do you like him?
No, I
Okay. So I never used to really like him. Like I would like listen to his songs, but like never really take them in. Like if I was at a party or whatever, like I listened to him, right? But I don't know. There was something about 2015 and 2015 and so far this year, like I don't know, but he just like. And then the other day he added me on Instagram. I'm pretty sure he adds other girls too, but I don't know, like just because like I'm really like digging him right now and like he added me all that. I just wanted to slide it on the DMs, you understand? Just to say hello. Nothing more, you understand? But I love him, oh my god, I love him. And Popcorn, can you know see my unruly? You know what I mean? Yeah, but yeah. Run the tune.
Sacrifice your happiness because of ego. No, believe everything what you're seeing at the media. My stress don't tell me miss my friends. You don't understand or get to you up.
So right now, we're in. Was it showing my card? It's a body from, but it's time it. Yo, this rhythm is just rhythm is just so amazing. I don't know. Jamaica made me feel so bad. Oh my god, I miss Jamaica so bad. That's so funny that you need a light and I don't. I guess, but I mean, yeah, I guess. Okay, so yeah, you can hold it up. But yeah, I miss Jamaica really bad. Now I have withdrawal. I don't know, I'm to that McDonald's line here. I don't understand with the end of the line. I want to drop her off by 9:30 and carry the car back. I want to reach at me yard by 10 o'clock. You understand? I mean, never did one. I am about to feel like nobody want. Do you remember? Hey, big up Jamaica the way I play. Do you remember me? No, I don't.
I said I'm gonna Jamila talk. I'm represent for DJ.com. I say respect goes out that comes out to support
this
me
is
long
a
time.
big
Never
tune,
forget.
Jamil.
But you have some
If
people
you guys
that
have never heard of him or listened to any of his music,
he's like,
listen to it, okay? He's a really good artist. He's just an upcoming artist, and I wanna Kim friend. Big him up anyway I'm there.
do you remember me that come down? Where were you when fee mama hungry? My heart.
Do you remember me? I don't recall. You are a real thing, you know? Listen to tune. I wish I could remember what it's called right now. It's on my phone. I remember the song. I think it's like, Do You Remember Me?
It's like everybody used to
There you go. It didn't even move one little bit. Oh, do you? We're moving. No, I don't. Where were you when my mama hungry? My own. Nope. Do you
Yeah, that's what we're doing right now.
Instead, me get paper, use a
Do you have
pen.
anything you want to say to the vlog? Any updates or anything?
No, life is great.
Tell them how high school is. Her first year in high school, guys.
It's amazing.
Really now.
Yep.
Debit, please. Okay, guys, we are
About to leave, so
we are about to lick down some people because them don't know say a parking like this. Them not can just walk any which way. So.
15%. So
Okay. Bye, guys. See you later. Okay, I gotta charge my phone now.
bye.
And I'm driving and eating.
Bye.
So a lot of wrong things I'm doing right
Yes,
now.
breaking the law.
How?
All right, whatever.
How am I breaking the law? I don't have the phone in my hand.
That's correct. That's right.
All right. Drinking
You're right.
is a big league.
Anyways, goodbye, guys.
Yeah, I'm a big league. Bye.
It won't. It's not.
Hey guys.
You're so late.
Apparently I look whiter in person. Okay, anyways, it's Friday, March. What's today's date? The 19th?
I'm lying, I don't.
Is it 17th or 18th?
I think it's the 18th.
Okay.
Or maybe it's the 19th.
No, the 19th is tomorrow, because, yeah. Okay, yeah.
What's happening tomorrow?
A funeral? So anyways, I'm at Duffer Mall. I'm with Fuffy. Fuffy, say hi to the vlog. I guess that's her hi. I'm eating McDonald's because the stupid mall is doing construction. We can see it over there. I only came here because there was a New York fries here and I was really craving a poutine. And there's no damn New York fries here, so that's just like another sign from God that I'm supposed to stop eating all this goddamn junk food. But anyways, I have my McDonald's coupon.
Got it back.
This is the third time I'm using this one.
No, this is the wrong.
My one can dine for $5.49 coupon. I've used it 3 times. I got a McChicken the first time, 6-piece nuggets. But normally with this one, you only get 1 in the book. So I find that they always make you reuse it sometimes. Sometimes people are lucky. I always use it going through drive-thru because drive-thru, they never really ask you for your coupons. As like they do when you go in. Yes, as you do when you go in the store. But yeah, but surprisingly, she gave it back to me. She said, "Hey, here you go. You can use it again." So I'm gonna use it again.
Come in my line.
Uh-huh.
Rip it up in front of you.
No. So yeah, I just had to change my shoes, the white gladiators that I showed you guys that I got, because they didn't fit me properly. I hope these ones fit me properly, that I got in exchange. If not, the mall and the stores and gladiator slippers. That's how I feel right now. I'm trying to get ready for summer before summer gets here. Please, baby, don't throw it all away. My mind don't go, but no give up on me. One more chance, don't throw it all away. And me, I beg you one little long and I'll lose grip on me. Hey, big up Alkaline. So I want to eat, guys. While she tries to find a song, I guess on her phone is always like.
Song. I'm looking to see if I really do. I want to prepare myself, you know? But it's not uploading right now.
And then I'm gonna go to H&M. I gotta go to the dollar store and get new headphones.
Oh, I'm so dumb. I turned off my data.
I gotta get a Cinnabon. And maybe some kernels. I need snacks for the evening, okay? And the weekend. Bye. Guys, good afternoon. Anyways, I am. See all this glitter on me? All this stuff I'm doing for the baby shower tomorrow. But I'm going to Walmart right now to go pick up some things. I still have yet to get anything for Kamisha's baby shower, which is tomorrow. I just found out that she doesn't need me anymore to do the balloon stuff because the hall did it, which is good because I'm still working on her favors, and I have yet to complete her signing sheet thingy. Like, when I get ideas, like, they always just change and stuff, so I'm gonna do something else. So I gotta quickly run to the dollar store, run to Walmart, see if I can pick up some stuff for her gift. But I want to get her something. If I can't get it for her now, like, she understands why I wouldn't be able to get it for her now. But like, that's my girl, so, you know, like, this is my nephew we're talking about, so I gotta get something nice. But I'm excited to try this out. I bought a universal in-car holder from the dollar store. It was $3, and yeah, I'm gonna use them out. I'm really excited because y'all know me love chat when me day in I car. I can't hold this something all the while. The phone or the camera, whichever me I use, I can't hold it all the while in my hand. So I'm excited to try this. This is the sticky one, and it says it fits most devices. So hopefully it's really easy. I'm gonna try it right now when we go in I car. Let's try this thing out. Oh God, I didn't bring my charger and I only have 15%. Oh, there's a charger in here. Never mind. Okay, so this was it. Can you see? Yeah, $3 from Dollarama. This is what it looks like when it comes out of the box. Okay, so so I guess this is the part that goes on the mirror. I'm trying to show you guys. Yeah, so that goes on the mirror, and then this goes on this, I think. Okay, let me is there instructions? Okay, press phone device against the gel pad. Hold cradle. Oh, that's to clean it. Hello, where are the instructions?
I feel like this makes more sense. Yeah. That makes way more sense. So what is for? Anyways. Okay. We are in action. So what is fa? Anyways, let's try this shit out.
Hey! Oh my God, I'm hands free! Hey, okay! You guys? Me still don't know what this. I wonder if this is for just like over here and then this stick on pan. What is stick at them? Let me put it back on here one because you know, same. We're bright, but you know, sometimes things tricky when there's no instructions come with them. I go Google it though, but you know, if you remember thing and thing. You understand, right? Alright. Sorry if uno last. Cause me kinda last too. If uno know. You know? Alright. Let's just preserve this. And let's go. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle your bumper, girl, wiggle. Yo, like, honestly, this is why I hate playing with glitter, because it's just retarded. So it took me 5 minutes to figure that out. Let me charge up out there. Wait there. Charge that phone now. Oh, no music no come on. I'm so excited. Marlon's gonna be like, what the hell is this doing in my car?
Sadness disappear. Police lock me up on my birthday for shooting like them a try tarnish.
Anyways.
That come this a real life story. That come so your riches me say, I know good me say.
Nah, broke with focus.
That come. DJ that.
Okay, I'm just gonna go to where the CD gets great. Woo! Okay.
Money full up over the great things.
Hold a little bit. You get rich now. Oh, this is so sick! I'm so excited. Okay, let's go. Bump around, you walk around. Bend over, no, if you touch your toe. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want it. Bump around, you walk around. Bend over, no, if you touch your toe. Now you know you're flexible. You feel like you want it. Have you ever done it on the beach? Have you ever done it on the beach? Have you? Comment below. Right now, I don't want to know your business. Don't have no fear, girl. I'll take you there. If you ask me, gonna change and I don't like that. No. Have some in the ways where we don't fight thanks. No. Have some faith in me when I grow like that. No. But make you do the done that though. We woulda never do you that, no. And sacrifice your happiness because of ego. Be stressed out, come and miss my friend. Them not understand, I get the joke them. Give me the world, tell me no girl.
Oi.
Please, baby, don't throw it all away. I might have fucked up, but no give up on me. One more chance, don't throw it all away. And me, I beg you one little longer, no lose grip on me. Hey, hey. Hey, pick up my lifestyle on the girl. Make you want to deal with a wifey. I don't know where you get such a good body from, but you try me. Get a little lamb, cute, full of grip, full of glue. Hey. Yo, one girl one time did email me and ask me to make one video about reversing, but me never understand, like, I talk about how girls can reverse or something like that. I never quite understand what she mean because the most people me know drive are females, so I don't know what she mean, but anyways, when I reverse, although I should I reverse in your sister. Everybody I say I am by to feel like them a day one.
True, me no remember them.
Them a say me change, tell them me are the same one. Do you remember me? No, I don't.
Okay guys, I'm at Walmart.
And
I'm not thinking to come email with me because the battery I did and things, so oh my god, I was driving without my lights on. See, me get something 13% battery. So if I will, if not, I will not. And I will see you guys when I come back in this car. So my braids them a come out. So one come out here, so wanna see it? Wanna see it? Yeah, one drop out. Some of them will come out. More rebraid them. But you know, the time I just lazy sometimes. But wanna know something can do here, right? If you never know that by now. Me not a hairdresser, but me can do ear. Anyways, look more. Ah! Okay, wait. Oh, you come off now. Oh my god. You guys, it's stuck on my phone. Damn, son. Do you remember me? No, I don't. Where were you when my mama hungry? My out. Be right back.